Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Range Rover. So you've got all these little symbols at the bottom there, settings, you've got Bluetooth there. We'll try Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. You've got paired devices, pair new device, paired devices, forget all devices. So that's good. If you just want to clear the thing completely, click forget all devices. Paired devices, if I go to paired devices, it's showing my phone there. If I click on that, even though it says connect, you've got here forget device. So that's, you can see there's a tick for audio, a tick for phone. If you can't stream any music, come to the same screen and make sure there's a tick in each, like that, see. Anyway, we want to forget this device, so forget. That's it, gone.